What's happening, guys? There's a pearl of a day pre-COVID lockdown, and we're sitting up on the north coast here with quite a few other people. I don't think I've ever seen so many boats and fishing skis ever in one place besides competition. So everyone's getting their last fish in before the lockdown. Water's looking good, clean, 24.5 degrees, cooler lights, and I've got a mackerel on the top and a mackerel on a 7-ounce. So we are now just sitting in about 20 meters of water and waiting for the eruption. I've seen one small cooter come out, but there's lots of guys here and no one is bending. I'm hoping it's not going to be one of those quiet mornings as our last fish for a couple of weeks, who knows how long. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so that was the final session for a couple of weeks. Lockdown starts tomorrow midnight here in South Africa. Managed to get one cooter and lose another one, but good fun it'll keep me going for a couple of weeks, and I'll be ready to rock and roll along with everyone else once we are let out. But yeah, I think we're gonna be going through some difficult times. you know, everyone. This thing is going to affect everyone. Yeah, I'm not sure what to say. Might be the last video for a while. Oh, get some air. Yeah, I just think that if everyone kind of sticks together in a way as a community, even in isolation, that we'll be able to get through this quicker sooner rather than later. A lot of you have got businesses, jobs, parents, grandparents. You know, there's a lot of worry and there's a lot of fear. I have 2 small businesses that have already been hugely negatively affected, and we don't actually know how long that's going to last for. So, yeah, people, pray that you and your families are safe and healthy, and that we work through this and we make it through and get through to the other side. This might not be the last video for a couple of weeks. The border might become so bad that there'll be a couple of extra small videos on tackle or just humorous videos. I don't know. I think the mind's going to go a bit dilly for a while, being stuck and not being able to enjoy this. This is my life. Being here along with a lot of other people, I think, feel the same way. Makes you feel alive. Breathing that salt air, feeling that warm sun. Anyway, it's only for a couple of weeks. Hopefully, we can get on top of this. So be safe, look after one another, look after your families. Yeah, but we're all in it together. I suppose that's one thing this thing is going to teach us, is that we're all on this planet together for one common goal, and that is to do our best and help one another and live in harmony. Or try anyway. So, on a somber yet slightly positive note, I will see you on the other side.